He just coughed and gagged. But now, of course, he's not going to do it. Are you, Sully? What you got on your nose? What you got on your nose? He's gulping. Dr. Brown wants to put him on doxycycline for a week, and I'll hold him for a week. What you doing, Sally? You're gonna cough some more? What is on your nose? Silly boy. Well, I guess he's not gonna do it now.